How strong was Unahona back in Arankar arc? Well, it's hard to say in terms of who she would defeat in combat, due to differences in abilities and stats. But in terms of Ryatsu, we can get somewhat accurate measurement. She stated herself, Ichigo and her were similar in terms of Ryatsu. But once Ichigo clarified that he was only at 50% Ryatsu, she monologued that Ichigo was twice captain level in terms or Ryatsu. But this isn't enough for some people, due to reasons such as captain level being too broad, where the high tiers could have many times higher amount of Ryatsu than the low tiers, and that the quote isn't twice her own Ryatsu. That means Ichigo didn't have twice the amount of her Ryatsu. However, both of them can be true at the same time. Assuming she didn't lie, and that they were similar in terms of Ryatsu, she would sit anywhere around 51% to 99% because she thought Ichigo was just comparable to captain level. Being comparable is just another word for being similar. So twice the amount is where she stopped using the word comparable, which means she cannot be twice the amount of half Ryatsu Ichigo. So she could be anywhere between 51% to 99%, but I'm going to assume she didn't base it off such technicalities and average it out like a human would. I will personally place her at around 75%. This will make both viewpoints accurate, which makes half Shahakusho Ichigo comparable to captain level, but not twice her own level when Ichigo is fully cloaked. So how strong does that make Unahona? Well, the same Ichigo got toyed by Jin, so probably still high but not top tier.